Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very simple quiz. We have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and get the correct result. So here we have in the answer list four answer. A is 9, B is 6, C is 0 and D is 3. So we will solve it and find out which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Just recall that what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule to solve this expression. So if you are having any arithmetic expression. So there are some rule which is BODMAS and PAMDAS rule or PEMDAS or PEDMAS rule which we can follow to solve these type of expression. And what these rules says basically if you are using the BODMAS or PEMDAS, so it means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent or power of any number or square root of on any number. So you have to solve that part first. After that, step 3, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. And keep in mind both has similar precedence. So you can solve division first if it is coming first. And you can solve the multiplication first if you have the multiplication first. Either you are using the PAMDAS or BODMAS, so rule are same. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. So we can solve addition first if addition is coming first, and we can solve the subtraction first if subtraction is coming first. Now, let's move towards to solve the given expression. We have 9 divided by 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 minus 3. So we will solve this expression using BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. According to the rule, we have to solve bracket or parenthesis first. So, but in our expression, we do not have any bracket or parenthesis. We do not have any bracket or parenthesis. So now we will move forward and see the exponent part. So yes, we have our exponent part which is 3 raised to power 2. So we will write same thing and solve this one. So 9 divided by 3 raised to power 2 is equals to 9. And other things we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 3 raised to power equals to 9 and we will write here this one equals to 9. Now we have to go left to right in our expression. So here we will go left to right because we do not have any bracket or exponent. So now we will go left to right and see which is coming first. So here we have the division part which is coming first. So some of the people solve this part first, like say if we are using the PAMDAS, so multiplication we will do first. No, it is not like that. We have to go left to right and find which operation is coming. So here we have this 9 divided by 9, which is equals to 1. And multiply by 3 minus 3. We will write as it is. So here we will give the reference 9 divided by 9 equals to 1. Now again we will go left to right and here we have the multiplication. So here we have 3 1 the 3. So 3 minus 3 we will write and again we will give the reference 1 multiplied by 3 which is equals to 3. In the end we have two terms which are subtracting each other. 3 minus 3. And when we will minus both terms, so we will get the answer is 0. So the answer of given expression is 0. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this easy expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS rule and get the correct result. So if you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer. So thank you So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.